Hello, good morning everyone. So this is our lab 1 RFIC design and experiment class. Professor Nam Yong Kim class, RFIC Center. This is our RFIC design and experiment class introduction of TAs. Myself Prashant. This is my email. If you have any queries, feel free to contact me. This is Gunbold Angjaya. This is her email address. You can contact for further query. Before starting our class, I want to introduce about Advanced Design System. ADS is an electronic design automation software system produced by Keysight, a division of Keysight Technologies. To provide an integrated design environment to design RF electronic products such as mobile phone, pager, wireless networks, satellite communications, radar systems, and high-speed data links, including RF chips. Here we can see there are so many applications of ADS software, basically used for the RF, microwave, signal integrity and power integrated design platforms, RF circuit development, foundry design kits, and EM analysis. So coming to the next slide, this is our lab 1 circuit simulation fundamentals. Here are our objectives of this class, what we will learn in lab first. We will create a new project and schematic design, set up and perform as parameter simulation, display simulation, data and save files, tune circuit parameter during simulations, example file and node names, perform harmonic balance simulations here, and we'll write here equation in data display. So this is our objectives of this class. This is a table of content, how we will follow all the procedures in this experiment class on using ADS on our computer system. So here we will start from the procedures. We'll install the software in your computer and start ADS on your computer, and go to the start and open the ADS Advanced Design System. Then we will follow the next steps as written here. Examine the main window preference. Then we will go to preference and enable these steps and follow the OK button. Create a new project. Here we will go an icon and create a new project, view startup dictionary, and we will here browse the system and create a new project. Examine the file in your project directory. We'll open the file and create a low pass filter design following the steps. This is our steps what we follow in our experiment. Prepare a new schematic for our experiment and use here capacitor with these parameters. Already we have mentioned the parameter capacitance is 10 picofarad, and prepare a S parameter using these circuits. Follow the instructions given in the file and use component history and follow the steps. Set up S parameter simulation at 0.5 gigahertz and apply and wait for the results, simulation results. Then we will follow these instructions to complete our experiment for the S parameter calculations. This is our simulation results. Here we can see M1 frequency is 6 gigahertz and dBs21 is 5.329. Save the results data display window and make a PPT of the results. After following the steps, all the step is here. Here we can see we have to already have been given here capacitance is 1 picofarad in the instruction file. This is our results. Follow all the steps, you will find all the results of simulation here. View current window dictionary and browse and open and select the path for the experiment. This is a after copy of complete schematic window. Here is our harmonic balance system and all the circuit design what we follow in our experiment for calculation of S parameter. Harmonic balance controller. Check the harmonic balance controller and on the frequency ranges is 960 megahertz and order 1 is equal to 5. The simulator is set at to calculate 960 megahertz with 5 harmonics order and follow all the instruction carefully before examine the experiment. And then after setting all the data, follow the simulate button, and you will find wait for some minutes and the results will come for the simulation and follow all the instruction for HBS harmonic balance simulations. Here are all the information of the steps how we follow this one. And here is our equation. You can practice with for the another experiment. Gain fund V output is equal to 1 divided by V in is equal to 1. Determine what the bracket value is doing in the equation. Go to the LPF low pass filter design and open the data display page. The writing an equation and phase and follow the steps. Examine any other example that interested in you. You can practice with another example also. Make a PPT of your outputs and your circuit and prepare your YouTube presentation of all the results. The video will be calculated as your presentation and your presents in this lab 1.